Welcome to another series of video. Take your hair, tie it with another rubber band in the form of half ponytail just like this. Make a gap, pass it through that gap, take a rubber band and pass your hair carefully through that gap of the rubber band. Repeat the same process with both the parts of your hair. Then take those two loose ends of your hair, tie it in the form of plaits carefully like this, securing the lower ends with a rubber band. Roll both the ends of your hair just like this. Take your hair and do it in a form of half ponytail like this. Take the rest of the part of your hair. Repeat the same process to make it look like layers in the opposite part. Take the remaining part of your hair. Do clean platings of your hair. It should be thick. Use your fingers carefully. While doing so, secure the lower end with a rubber band. Give it a fluffy look. Roll it upwards like this and secure it tightly with a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, pass it through the gap, take both the ends of your hair, divide it into three and make clean plaits out of all the three parts of your hair. See, you should be so clean that it never looks like a fault. Give it a fluffy look, secure the lower ends properly and then pass both parts of your hair through the gap to the upper part of your hair just like this. See, you should be careful and clean in your ways. Secure it with a rubber band. Take the parts of your hair in the form of half ponytail, pass it through the gap, divide the lower ends into two parts, secure both the parts of your hair with a rubber band. Carefully pull out your hair through that rubber band just like this through the gaps from your hair. Repeat the same process with the other part of your hair as well. Then take both the loose ends, tie it with a rubber band, secure it properly and put it through the gap. Tie your hair in the form of half ponytail, pass it through the gap, then divide the lower end into two parts, secure one end with a rubber band and the other again. Do it 2 consecutive times with both the parts. Pass it through the gap through the upper part of your hair. Then tie it again with a rubber band, pass it through the gap and repeat the same process as earlier. Take the loose ends, tie it upward. Take your hair, tie it in the form of lower half ponytail, pass it through the gap, then take that ponytail and use it to make a plait out of it. Repeat the same process. Pass it through the gap and then again do the plaitings of your hair. See, your plaiting should be clean. Then secure the lower end of your plaits with a rubber band. Give it a fluffy look, roll it upwards and secure it with a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, tie the rest of the loose end of your hair with another rubber band, divide it into 3 parts and take the middle part securing it with a rubber band. Then take the rest of the parts of your hair and do clean plaits out of both the parts of your hair just like this. See, you should be clean in your work. How elegant it looks. Then tie all the 3 ends with a rubber band, roll it upwards and secure it tightly with a bobby pin. Take your hair, do it in the form of half ponytail, secure the lower end with another rubber band, then pass it through the gap of the upper part of your hair. Then divide both the parts of your hair into 2 parts and secure it properly with the rubber band, making one part away from the other. Then take all the 3 loose ends and tie it in the form of plaits. The plait should be clean. Tie the lower end, roll it in the form of a circle and secure it properly with a bobby pin. Thanks for watching.